Got a 96 Honda cbr600 F3 Smokin' Joe's edition. My buddy bought it off of Iconic Motorbikes. It's a really clean bike. It just had a couple small imperfections that we're going to be taken care of. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the imperfections and see how we're going to fix them. Got something kind of cool here. The Honda F3 Smokin' Joe's edition. This got flexed. This is where the sticker was. You can actually see the flexes in there. So we're gonna have to feather that out. The other panel, it just has a little crack there. A couple other little imperfections we're gonna be taking care of. They made about 1,500 of these throughout the years. So we're gonna get that taken care of. We got this panel sanded out with 400. It's ready for primer. This one I got plastic welded up, and I got a filler over that. That's a flexible plastic filler. We'll get that sanded down, probably with 180, then 320, and we'll get this one primed too. Got the damage all sanded out. Got that crack fixed. This is all sanded with 400. I'm gonna take 600 or 800 to there and get it primed. I got all the decals off. I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding this. I'm gonna do it by hand with some 1000 probably. I don't want to break through any of these edges because I want to keep all the color as low as I can on it. Ready to start putting some purple on. Ready to start putting some of the Smokin' Joe's purple on. I'm gonna keep it down this way, but if you look close, you can see it. There's just a couple of itty bitty spots which we're going to get the paint up that high, so we're going to start with that. Color's pretty iridescent. Couple more coats, we'll put some clear on it. Got 2 coats on it. I'm gonna put one more on it. That color is really close. It's real iridescent, so I mixed it up kind of thick. So I'm going to reduce it down to that last coat to smooth it out a little more. That just helps the clear lay down and look smoother. Got it all cleared. How cool is that purple? That looks like a mirror. It's going to look real good when the decals are back on it. The Honda CBR F3 Smokin' Joe's replica. Got the side panels all done on it. Wasn't a bunch of damage, just a little bit. That purple looks really cool. I can't wait to see these all decaled back up and on the bike. So cool back when the manufacturers used to do race replicas.